Let's see how to unpair a Apple Watch with iPhone and without iPhone. First of all, let's see how to unpair a Apple Watch without a iPhone. All you have to need, press this crown button and here you will find your all available apps. Just find out the settings app on your Apple Watch and open settings. Under your settings, go down and tap on general. Under general settings, scroll down and tap on reset. Here you will find this erase all content and settings option. So all you have to need to unpair our Apple Watch without iPhone, just tap on erase all content and settings. And now let's see how to unpair our Apple Watch from iPhone. Go to your iPhone and open the watch app and select my watch, and here scroll down and select passcode. Select my watch and tap on all watches, and here you will find all of your paired watch. Just tap on this I button next to the Apple Watch you want to unpair, and here just tap on unpair Apple Watch, and that's it.